Hey, so doing a video today on you got your studs. You're doing a new construction. You got your studs and you want to drill through the studs, so you can run your wiring, right? Well, I was thinking about how to do this, and I had the regular, drill bit, hand drill, DeWalt, and I was having a difficult time putting it, in between the studs here, obviously, and then drilling through the stud as well. Usually the drill bits, a good 5-6 inches long, so obviously it's in between 16 inches. I don't have so it's having to come at an angle. I'm drilling a little bit of an angle through the stud, and which is fine, but it was also difficult because it was trying to drill, it was slipping, the drill bit was slipping and stuff like that. So I thought, I went to the store, I was like, man, there's got to be a better way to do this. So I went to the store and I found, one of these angle driver, basically, right? Because you can get a drill, what is it called, an angle drill, basically. And it basically has seems like it has your regular drill, except it comes off at a 90. But I priced it was like $249 or something. I was like, that's kind of expensive for a one-time project, probably a one-time project for me anyway, since I'm not a contractor or anything. So I found one of these, but I was like, that doesn't have a drill bit adapter end, right? So how are you going to get your drill bits to fit in there? Well, I found on another aisle, they do have drill bits with that adapter end that will fit right in there. So wow, it's still warm from drilling earlier, but yeah, this will fit right in there. So you can attach your drill and come right in here, drill a hole that's nice and level, not at an angle or anything like that. You can drill right through there, with these different drill bits that have that end on them instead of the round end for like a chuck or whatever. So that works, and I think it was like, I guess this angle part was like 15 bucks, and the drill bit was like 10 bucks or something like that. So 25 bucks instead of $250. And if you just got like a one-time smaller project, this is going to work out just fine. So, and I think you can find this at pretty much any hardware store. I think there's other options out there. I do believe I saw like a longer like flex bit. It's got like where you can drill into like between like multiple studs at the same time using the same entrance point. But I was not able to find that at my local Home Depot. So anyway, I hope that helps if you're trying to get those holes drilled through your studs for your wiring and you have a smaller project. If you're going to do like a whole house, I would probably recommend just buying the angle, I think it's called an angle drill. Anyway, it basically looks like this except a lot beefier, and this part really gets warm. It's still almost too hot to touch after just a few drillings through a couple double studs. So I'm letting it cool down right now, but I think it'll be fine for this smaller project that I have. I probably have to drill through 50 studs anyway, so I think it's going to be adequate. So I hope that helps out there, because I was a little bit frustrated, and I don't want to spend 240 bucks for a 90-degree angle drill. So good luck with your projects out there. Hope that helped. Thanks for watching, everyone. Have a great day. And there's also, I think there are also different types of drill bits you can get, like the there's the it's the like the pointy end, and it's got the two things that turn. I think it's for like you drill for like drilling like doorknob holes and doors and stuff like that, or I forget what kind of bit that's called. No, I'm gonna just show you real quick. Hold on one second. I can't pause this video, so just hold on one moment. I'll like grab it real quick. All right, sorry about that. So this is the kind of the drill head I'm talking about. I don't know, I can't remember the technical name for it, but then it's got the same end there where you can hook right into this piece here, and then also for just for length or whatever, this is just like a basically it's got the same plug in there, and if you need it longer, you can hook this into this, you know what I'm saying, and then you'll have this even longer. So, and then there's another type of drill bit. Can't remember the name of this one either. Pretty cool though. Works really good for drilling round holes. So you can also get this kind. So there's several different options out there. So good luck, everyone. Hope that helped. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.